Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI. I don't know if you're like me, always on the hunt for a luxurious lip product without the luxurious cost. As a makeup artist, this is something I'm always on the lookout for, and this Glow Reviver Lip Oil by e.l.f. is just that. I am hooked on the Red Delicious color. It is moisturizing, has a great texture, it's thick, but it's not sticky. And it allows me to hydrate my lips during the day with just a subtle color. And then at nighttime, I can layer it over a lipstick or a lip liner for a whole new look. It also has a nice minty scent, which is great because it can disguise those nachos that I just ate. Now, with any treatment product, if you want it to look its best, it's important to exfoliate first, such as with a lip exfoliator or even your toothbrush, just to get rid of that dead skin. The packaging is also really cute and looks really high-end. You might just like my go-to product, and it might just be your go-to product too. And that's my point of view.